Hello, hello, hello. Ooh. New book recommendation. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. New day, new vlog. It's Monday today, 2nd of February. Like एक महीना साल बोलने वाली थी, एक महीना निकल गया है 2026 को and it's February already. और मैंने like starting of 2026 I tried vlogging very prominently. मतलब मैंने काफ़ी अच्छे से व्लॉग करा और मैंने लास्ट वीक कुछ व्लॉग नहीं करा बिकॉज आई फेल्ट बहुत मोनोटोनस हो रहा है. लाइक आई वाज डूइंग द सेम थिंग्स एंड टुडे आई हैड माई फर्स्ट फिजिकल क्लास ऑफ द सेकेंड सेमेस्टर फॉर माई मास्टर्स. तो मैंने सोचा अभी स्टार्ट कर देती हूँ. आई वॉज टू बी ऑनेस्ट प्लानिंग टू डू दिस इंट्रो बिफोर गोइंग टू द यूनिवर्सिटी बट मैं इतनी जल्दी में बिकॉज मेरे को पाल भी थे, मुझे ब्लो ड्राइव करने थे, मुझे सब कुछ करना था. मैं इतनी जल्दी सब कुछ करा. आई डेंट हैव टाइम टू व्लॉग. सो नाउ दैट आई एम बैक फ्रॉम माई यूनिवर्सिटी, it's currently 1:30. I thought I'll just start the intro right now. Also I have to show you so many things. मतलब मैंने vlog ही सिर्फ इसीलिए start करा है because I had to show you new things that I did last week and what I'm planning to do in the upcoming week. So wait. First thing that I did was I completed a new diamond painting and this is a very famous painting, Starry Nights, and it looks so pretty. Like I'll show you up close. और मतलब ये तो मेरी पुरानी वाली वॉज लाइक वेरी स्मॉल क्योंकि वो मेरी लाइक फर्स्ट डायमंड पेंटिंग थी. तो आई थॉट आई स्टार्ट स्लो बट दिस हैड मोर देन 30,000 डायमंड्स टू पेस्ट एंड स्टिक. सो दिस लुक्स सो प्रिटी. आई एम प्लानिंग टू frame this up. Also, new book recommendation. I completed this, The Palace of Illusions. I have this book since 2024. I think I bought this in 2024 में when I was about to leave for Taiwan. I went to Delhi अपने वीज़ा के कुछ काम से and then I bought it in Delhi, The Palace of Illusions, क्योंकि ये मेरी TBR में थी बहुत टाइम से. And then obviously I went out and then 1-1.5 साल उस सब में चले गया. And this like January, I thought, oh, I have it, let me start reading this. Because anyways, I was trying to read Indian authors and this, oh my god, it brought me back to reading so nicely that I was forced, I was like compelled to buy The Forest of Enchantments. Like it's by the same author. This, The Palace of Illusion, is the retelling of Mahabharata from Draupadi's point of view, and this is the retelling of Ramayana from Sita's point of view. And oh my god, this is so amazing. Like anybody who's planning, like who has read books in past and is planning to read again, I think you should just buy this. This is the most amazing book like I have read in a while because this has been written in 2018. Still the writing feels so new, so like very न्यू एज राइटिंग आई वुड से. लाइक और ये बहुत डिफिकल्टी है पढ़ने के लिए. आई डोंट नो इफ समबडी हु इज ट्राइंग टू रीड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इट माइट बी अ स्लो रीड फॉर देम, though it is an interesting book. But for anybody who had like a reading slump in between, like they couldn't read for a few years or like few months or whatever, you must pick this up. And now I am reading this. I'm already like I bought it yesterday on Blinkit. Best innovation by mankind for mankind, I feel. But I bought this yesterday on Blinkit and I have already read like 100 and something pages. Now that I have spoken about my new current obsession and I'm really liking like Chitra Banerjee's writing style. I love it. And like I was not a reading person earlier but now I am. So in case anybody's trying to start reading, please get these books. They are amazing. Hello guys, welcome back. Same vlog, another day. It's 3:30 currently. Also it's Tuesday. I started the vlog on Monday and I am ready to head to gym. I am ready. I'm wearing a hoodie and my trusty black tights and I thought I'll do a what's in my gym bag क्योंकि ऐसे ही मेरा YouTube channel है, मेरी मर्जी. तो this is my gym bag. इस बैग को देख के like the only thing this bag reminds me is गरीब आदमी के घर में 2 वक्त की रोटी होना हो, एक डिकैथलॉन का बैग ज़रूर होता है. सो सेम. सो First thing is a water bottle, obviously. And then I have this. I have spoken about this 10,000 times. I don't think so it's visible. It is. This is a HOCL spray by Minimalist. I use this after my workout. I have my wired earphones. Then I have a cute little pouch. Everybody knows this pouch who knows me. This has little money and chiller. And then I have a, what is this, clutcher. And the last thing that I have is a lip oil. I love putting lip oil या lip balm जिम में, क्योंकि मेरे lips बहुत जल्दी chapped हो जाते हैं, and this really helps me to make them stay hydrated. So that's it. मैं बस यही चीज़ें लेके जाती हूँ अपने बैग में. And to be honest, मैं बैग आज मैं अकेले जिम जा रही हूँ तो मैं बैग लेके जा रही हूँ. Otherwise when I am with my friends like either Mayank or somebody else, तो मैं नहीं लेके जाती हूँ क्योंकि वो लेके आते हैं and I just put my stuff in their bags. Obviously जब मैं उनके बैग में stuff डालती हूँ I don't carry so much stuff, but ये बैग मेरा हमेशा like ये चीज़ें इसी बैग में रहती है. This has never come off. And I have my jacket. So we'll just leave. And also this book has kept me so hooked. Like yesterday I was doing my, anybody who doesn't know, I'm a Chinese literature master student. So yesterday I was doing a translation work that I had to do for my class. And obviously I have responsibilities being a student. पर मैं ये book नहीं पढ़ पाई थी रात को क्योंकि I had to do my work which I procrastinated so much. So I was sad. And then I have read it today morning and afternoon, and I'm like halfway through, exactly halfway. I've read this book halfway, which is very fun. So now we leave and I'll catch you whenever I want to catch you. Also I have a big pimple. Okay, bye. We'll not talk about it. हेलो मुझे ना इससे वो याद आ रहा है, वो जो बारात में आगे अंकल नहीं चलते हैं जो ऐसे अजीब सा गाना गाते हैं, आज मेरी यार की शादी है, whatever. This is a karaoke set that I got as a gift from my friend as like a Diwali gift, and I haven't used it much, but I thought I'll do the, what do you call, the review for the book that I was reading recently. I thought I'll do it on this. I don't know. Is it too hilarious or what? So I'll switch it back to normal. Okay, so I've already done the intro on that karaoke set, whatever. But I'll do it again. Hello guys, welcome back. Same vlog, another day. It's Thursday today and I am dressed up. I'm leaving for my university. Like I have a class at 3 o'clock. But I thought before I leave for my university, I'll give the review of the book that I was reading. And like this is my, not a current read, but like this is the latest book that I read, and this is The Forest of Enchantments by Chitra Banerjee. And I have already spoken about this book in the intro of this video because I was talking about another book by Chitra Banerjee and I was telling you कि मैंने ये halfway पढ़नी शुरू कर दी है. And I want to tell you that I completed it yesterday. And what are my reviews of the book? It's a retelling of Ramayana from Sita's point of view. Obviously when you read Ramayana or you have ever seen Ramayana, you don't know about, like obviously you know bits and bits about the fact what Sita went through, but you don't know it in detail. And it's a little heartbreaking, like whatever she went through for the love and the endurance she had and all that. Like I won't say I cried, but I sobbed a little at the end of the book, and I really liked it. I'd give it a, I don't know, I'd give it a 3 star, 3.5. I don't know. I liked the Palace of Illusions better. But if you want to read books that talk about women and their endurance and anything related to that. I think it's a really nice book, and as I have said it thousand times I think by now, that I really liked Chitra Banerjee's writing style. She writes very new age and fresh and very easy to read. It's not something that you have to put a lot of your brain into. Moving on, I wanted to tell you other stuff also, that I ordered 2 new books for myself, as you have already seen. I think मैंने एक clip shot करी है. These are the 2 books. First is Dolly Elderton ki Good Material. I really wanted to read this book. Like, this was in my TBR since a really long time. Like, it was on my Amazon's cart, and I ordered it for myself today, and I'll start reading this today. But another book that I want to talk about is A Murder in Dehradun. And I think anybody who doesn't know, or you're watching me for the first time, in case you don't know, I live in Dehradun and I love Dehradun. But this book, oh my god, this book is so pretty. Like, कौन Indian author ऐसी किताबें बना रहा है? This looks so pretty, but I'm really confused about the fact. Shall I start reading this first or this? This is a really small book. This is obviously a little bit thicker than this one, but I don't understand which one do I read first. I'll obviously start with Dolly Alderton because I really want to read this, and that's what I wanted to talk about. I think recently I've gotten back into the fact that I am reading a lot of books, and I really like that because I have no life in general. Like, I go out a little with my friends, और मेरी मम्मी को लगता है कि मैं सबसे आवारा बच्ची हूँ देहरादून की, और मैं ही देहरादून में सबसे आवारा गिरती लफंडरगिरी करती हूँ. बट ऐसा नहीं है. आई डोंट हैव अ लाइफ इन जनरल. आई हैव अ फ्रेंड एंड ही इज़ नॉट इन देहरादून रिसेंटली. मतलब वो जा रखा है कहीं, तो वो देहरादून में नहीं है, तो मैं कहीं बाहर घूमने नहीं जा रही हूँ, क्योंकि मैं उसी के साथ ज़्यादातर बाहर घूमने जाती हूँ. तो नाउ आई हैव नो लाइफ एंड आई एम जस्ट रीडिंग बुक्स. एंड आई वाज टॉकिंग टू हिम येस्टरडे एंड आई वाज टेलिंग हिम कि भाई वापस आ जाओ. बट आई रियली enjoy reading, and my entire Instagram feed is filled with, people reading and all that. Also, wait, I'll give a very good makeup recommendation also. Like, I am not a very makeup girly. Matlab, I enjoy putting a little stuff here and there, but I'm a really big connoisseur of applying lippies, so I'll give a lipstick recommendation. Wait. Okay, this lipstick by Mars, I don't know. I was in a store recently, मतलब ऐसे randomly अपने लिए safety pin लेने गई थी शायद, and I saw this, and I'm a really huge fan of lipsticks and lip glosses and anything that you apply on your lips. तो मेरे को ये दिखा, and I really like browns in general, and this is a really nice lipstick. It is a liquid lipstick and it is very glossy when you put it on, and then it later fades away. पर भाई ये बहुत अच्छी है, and it's transfer proof also, and it's very cheap. Like, I don't even remember, 300 something, and this is really nice. और इसमें शायद 7-8 ही शेड थे. This is इस range में, and all of it I think will suit Indian skin tone. It makes me sound very like fashion influencer, which I am not. I'm just a blabber and a yapper, so we'll stick to it. But if anybody wants to buy this lipstick, it's really nice. Like, you can buy it on my recommendation. I'm wearing it right now, पर don't trust this shade, क्योंकि पहले मैंने हल्का सा टिंट लगाया, then I dabbed it off, then मैंने लिपस्टिक लगाई, then I dabbed it off, and then I put my lip oil. So this is not the original shade, but this is a really nice lipstick, so you can maybe trust this if you want to. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat. Don't follow me in real life. Also, do comment if you have ever read a book or you like a book. Comment it down for me to read it. Give me a recommendation. Also, please give me some YouTube ideas. मेरा दिमाग चलना बंद हो गया. I don't have a life, so I don't know what video shall I make. So you can also comment down some inspiration or ideas for my videos. Okay, bye, love you.